Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Evernote on your computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to evernote.com. This is Evernote's official website where you can access all their download options and learn more about the platform's features for note-taking and organization. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a download button there. Go ahead and click on it to access the download options. This will take you to a page where you can choose which version of Evernote you want to install based on your device and operating system. On the download page, you'll notice a desktop option. Below this, you'll see choices for different operating systems, either Mac or Windows. Take a moment to identify which operating system your computer is running so you can select the correct version. Downloading the right version ensures that Evernote will run smoothly and take full advantage of your system's capabilities. For this tutorial, we'll go ahead and click Download for Windows. If you're using a Mac, you would simply select the Mac option instead. The process is essentially the same regardless of which operating system you choose. After clicking the download button, you'll need to wait a few minutes while the installation file downloads to your computer. The download time can vary depending on your internet connection speed and the file size, so be patient during this step. You'll typically see a progress indicator in your browser showing how much of the file has been downloaded. Once the download is complete, look to the upper right corner of your browser window. You should see a download icon there. Click on this icon to view your recent downloads and access the file you just downloaded. This makes it easy to locate the Evernote installer without having to search through your entire downloads folder. In the downloads list that appears, look for the Evernote file. Once you've found it, click the Open button next to it. This will launch the Evernote installer and begin the installation process on your computer. Now you'll need to wait a few seconds while the installer loads and installs Evernote on your system. During this time, the application is being set up with all the necessary files and configurations to run properly on your computer. The installation process is typically quick and straightforward. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Evernote on your computer, and you're now ready to start organizing your notes, tasks, and ideas all in one place. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.